Today, I'm going to show you how to insert a table in Microsoft Word in the quickest and easiest way possible. Tables are perfect when you want to organize information clearly, whether you are making a report, planning a project, comparing data, or just keeping your document neat and professional. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple Microsoft Word tips and tutorials. All right, let's jump right in. First, open your Microsoft Word document. You can start with a blank document or open an existing file if you want to add a table into something you've already written. Once your document is open, look at the top ribbon and click on the Insert tab. This is where Word keeps tools for adding things like pictures, shapes, charts, and of course, tables. After clicking Insert, find the Table button and click it. When you do that, Word will show you a grid. This grid lets you choose exactly how many rows and columns your table will have. To set the table size, simply drag your mouse over the grid. As you move across the squares, Word highlights the amount of rows and columns you're selecting. For example, if you want a simple 3x3 table, just drag across 3 columns and 3 rows. Once the correct size is highlighted, click to insert the table into your document. Word will place the table right where your cursor is, and now you're ready to start typing into each cell. You can click inside any box and begin entering your information immediately. This makes it very easy to build structured layouts for schedules, lists, comparisons, notes, or anything that needs a clean arrangement. If you need a larger or smaller table, you can always repeat the same process and insert another one, or adjust it later inside Word. The important thing is that the table gives you a clear structure from the beginning, so your content stays organized and easy to read. That's all there is to it. You now know how to insert a table in Microsoft Word using the Insert tab and the Table grid. It's a simple feature, but it can make a huge difference in how professional your document looks. If this video helped you out, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next Microsoft Word tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.